Searching for a cure for any disease can be a tall task, but when that disease is rare, the search can become even more difficult. Today is Rare Disease Day, and our Ken McCoy is here to tell us why this matters. Ken, I heard you spoke with HudsonAlpha today.
I did speak with HudsonAlpha today. And Kanisha, what I learned today is that the word rare doesn't necessarily mean terminal. In fact, what it really means is it limits the quality of life. And the research that HudsonAlpha is doing helps to improve that.
Any disease can be rare if it affects less than 1 in 2,000 people.
Today is National Rare Disease Day, and HudsonAlpha is doing all they can to spread awareness.
While many folks in the population may not think about rare disease on a day-to-day basis, it's every day for us. And so we really view this as an opportunity for the rest of the world to kind of come into our world and think about patients living with these rare conditions.
HudsonAlpha is continuing its research into rare diseases by looking at the connection of genes and human diseases.
Humans have about 20,000 genes, and at this point, maybe a quarter or so of them have actually been connected with a disease. And so a lot of the work that goes on at HudsonAlpha and at other places is trying to take clusters of people who maybe have a set of symptoms that seem similar and trying to figure out what do they have in common genetically.
And while the term rare may have some thinking the cause is only genetics, that's not necessarily the case.
We do think about 3/4 of rare diseases are genetic in origin. So some people kind of use them interchangeably, but something can absolutely be a rare disease without being genetic.
And all cases are not terminal.
For many of them, it's a quality of life issue or impacts certain areas of their health, but people can absolutely live long and productive lives with them. So it's not just about preventing early death. It's about really increasing quality of life.
And if you're a runner out there, in April, HudsonAlpha will be hosting a 5K run in support of pediatric research. More information on the run and on this story can be found at our website at fox54.com.